Welcome back to my show on Mirror Wisdom Reflected. We've been reading in the past 2 months a lot about the Landry-Guillain-Barré syndrome. You read regularly about things in Pune. A lot of people have got affected and everybody was worried that is there an epidemic of LBG coming up. The Guillain-Barré syndrome was described by famous people, Landry-Guillain-Barré, wherein because of a virus that there is paralysis and it happens suddenly. There is a big scare in the society that we may have an epidemic of LBG. Today, I'm very fortunate to have with me the Dean of KEM Hospital and the Head of the Department Neurology, KEM Hospital, Dr. Sangeeta Rawat, who is an expert, can tell us and guide us, not just as a neurologist, but from civic standpoint of view. Doc, what is your opinion? How dangerous it is? What is happening? Is it spreading badly? What do you think?
Landry-Guillain-Barré syndrome is known from years together. It is described and it is seen in many patients, and every year and every week we may be seeing one patient of this. That may be that there is a group of patients who have come together. We always see this constellation of group during monsoon every year. Basically, it is post-viral infection. So some viral infection may have triggered it. But there is nothing to get scared of because it has a good prognosis and it does recover, but definitely it takes time. And that critical period of 1 or 2 weeks when the paralysis occurs, that's the time you have to be in ICU. And if you have taken good care, gradually the patients come back to normal, and very few people may be left behind with some neurodeficit.
As you can see, Dr. Sangeeta has mentioned so well that this is nothing to be scared about. It is not going to be spreading. You're not going to have an attack of paralysis in the city. It's nowhere near COVID. There is treatment, good diagnosis, does not give you any residual illness, and there is good amount of medications and good diagnostic capabilities. This has been happening over a long period of time. This is not something new. So don't get worried. The media is over-exaggerating at this point in time. We are having a few isolated cases. It always comes post-monsoon. Any viral attacks generally are increased during post-monsoon. So don't get worried. LBG is here to stay. Was there, is there, will be there. But it's not a civic sense of emergency to be pressed. If there is any abnormal symptom of weakness in your limbs or any other speech paralysis or anything suddenly that you find, please go contact your neurologist, get yourself investigated. We have treatment. We have good diagnostic capabilities. There's a less than 1% chance that you may have some long-term complication. Relax. It's not terribly bad. Am I right, Dr. Sangeeta?
Yeah, absolutely. I think there's nothing to get worried about. This disease is there since ages, and we all as doctors and neurologists know how to deal with it, and we have a good treatment. So not to worry.
Thank you. Thank you for your time, Doc.
Thank you.
Much appreciate your time. For more information on this, we'll come back to you again with the latest flavor of what's going on. Mirror Wisdom Reflected.